Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Babyelon token. Now this is a Binance Smart Chain token. Ticker symbol is Babyelon, all one word. And this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, January 9th, on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the Babyelon token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is on the Binance Smart Chain. Their BSC scan says they already have 3,231 holders. There is 9 decimal places on this token. And there is a max total supply of, that is a billion, trillion, 420 quadrillion tokens. So a lot of tokens. Now, you can join their Telegram at Babyelon Global. And it says CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap listed coming soon, big plan soon. They have 4,567 Telegram members. There's 667 of them online, so that's a great place to join the conversation about this token. It says Babyelon is the next crypto leader. And it says, in the spirit of Elon Musk's audacity and innovation, Babyelon token emerges as a beacon of possibility, pushing the boundaries of what cryptocurrency can achieve. We aim to establish Babyelon as the undisputed leader in the crypto world. Now, the Babyelon token here is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting January 9th at 14 hours UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Babyelon, all one word, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So their Twitter, at Babyelon_BSC, I'm going to put that in the corner of the screen over there, has a link to their webpage on there, babyelon.net. Brand new project, just joined in January 2024. They have 8,370 Twitter followers already and 74 tweets. So very active on their socials, lots of followers already. So they're doing very well. The next crypto leader is here, and they just officially got listed on CoinGecko a couple days ago, and that's in their pinned tweet there. So you can check that out as well. And then underneath that is their Mexc Global announcements on their Twitter there. Now on their webpage, you can find the contract address. Now you could get this token prior to the Mexc Global listing by getting it off Pancakeswap. Since it's a Binance Smart Chain token, by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding Pancakeswap, and then trading your BSC for this token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, babyelon.net. You may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, but we'll go over that in a second. So, revolutionizing the crypto sphere with Musk-inspired leadership. In a rapidly evolving crypto landscape, Babyelon token emerges not just as a project, but as a movement inspired by the indomitable spirit of Elon Musk. Watch as he sets the stage for a new era of innovation, collaboration, and prosperity in the world of decentralized finance. In the spirit of Elon Musk's audacity and innovation, Baby Elon token emerges as a beacon of possibility, pushing the boundaries of what cryptocurrency can achieve. Join us on this exhilarating journey as Baby Elon token leads the charge towards decentralized future, inspired by the very best in the visionary leadership. Our vision at Baby Elon token, we envision a decentralized future where innovation, sustainability, and community collaboration redefine the very essence of cryptocurrency. Inspired by the visionary Elon Musk, we aspire to lead the crypto world towards uncharted territories, pushing the boundaries of possibility and fostering global financial ecosystems that empower individuals and transcends traditional limitations. Now, this token here, they're saying on their white paper that the ticker symbol is a BET. So we can check here to verify that because Mexc Global has it listed. Okay, so well, on CoinGecko, it has it listed on as Baby Elon is their ticker symbol, and that is the same on their BSC scan. So for some reason they're calling it the BET token, BET, which is short for Baby Elon token. So don't get confused when they mention that on their white paper, because the actual ticker symbol is still Baby Elon, all one word. Our mission at Baby Elon token is to revolutionize the crypto landscape with a commitment to excellence, transparency, and groundbreaking advancements. Guided by the seasoned team of industry experts, we endeavor to provide a secure, user-friendly platform that not only embraces Elon Musk's spirit, trailblazing spirit, but also new standards of reliability, accessibility, and innovation. So they're planning to list on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, get central exchange listings. They have a contract audit by Analytics Audit that you can click on their webpage. They offer safety, security, marketing, support partnership, central exchange listings, and reputation. How the token is split up, there is a 6.7% supply going to pre-sale, 29.4% LP, and 9.8% central exchanges. There is a 5% buy and sell tax if you are buying this off Pancakeswap, and that goes to marketing. Now, so you'll have to set your slippage around 5%. Now, their roadmap here has 4 phases, and so we'll just go over this quickly here. So it says establishing website, social media channels, conducting analysis of the market, white paper, potential investors, hosting AMAs, contract audit for security, pink sale, pre-sale they had on January 4th, then Pancakeswap, initiate marketing campaigns, collaborations with influencers and KOLs, cross-promotion, DEX platform trending, NFT marketplace, CoinGecko CoinMarketCap listing, organized community events, 5,000 holders, more marketing, more central exchange listings, develop a DApp, and then giveaways, events, more holders, more marketing, different language channels, media outlets, influencers, building trust and credibility, and then continuous improvements and more holders. Now, there is a link to the NFT marketplace at the bottom of their page. You can check that out. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about Baby Elon? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.